Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by getting the network and devices aligned. First, make sure both the laptop and target display are on the same Wi-Fi network. This simplifies discovery and reduces connection issues. Once done, enable the display's screen mirroring or casting mode. Different brands label it differently, then enable Bluetooth if the device needs pairing. You're ready to open the laptop's cast or connect menu. Do it now, because discovering the display is the immediate next step, and it saves time troubleshooting later. Once the display appears in your system's cast or AirPlay list, select it and confirm the connection. You'll often choose Duplicate versus Extend. Duplicate mirrors everything, while Extend gives a second workspace. Pick the one that matches your task. Next, check screen resolution and scaling so text and video aren't blurry. Lower the resolution if performance stutters. Make sure audio routing is set to the external display if you want sound there. Then play a short video clip to verify both picture and sound are correct. After settings look right, lock them in and close any bandwidth-heavy programs. This frees CPU and network capacity. Test with a 10 to 30-second video to confirm steady playback and audio sync. If you see lag or frame drops, reduce resolution or switch to HDMI for a wired, stable connection. If the display never appears, restart your Wi-Fi on both devices, toggle screen mirroring off and on, then retry discovery. This simple restart often clears stale network broadcasts and restores normal mirroring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.